Hello children. Today we are begin with our textbook, and from the textbook first page prarthana is there. So today we are going to discuss the prarthana. First I will read the prarthana. See children, prarthana is only for your understanding. So I'm not giving you meanings for this. We have to just follow the instruction as per the book. So we are just taking this prarthana and I'm giving you the meaning. Okay. अभिप्सितार्थ सिद्ध्यर्थ पूजितो यः सुरासुरैः सर्वविघ्नहरस्तस्मै गणाधिपते नमः. So by reading itself we will come to know that here the poet has been saluted to the Lord Ganesha. So this is the tradition of our, or we can say as a Hindu tradition. At the beginning of or to start any good work or any work, we always pray to our favorite god, which is called as a Ishta Devata, so that whatever work we are doing, that work should be complete without any obstacle. See, work is going to be complete. For example, if you want to pass 9th standard, this year we are going, definitely we are going to pass 9th standard. If not next year, if not next to next that year. So that things are the obstacles in our obstacles for to pass our 9th standard. Okay, but without any obstacle in this year itself, that is 2020 2021, we are going to clear our 9th standard. That is our aim. So without any obstacle to complete our work, we always pray to our god. So according to that, here poet saluted to his Ishta Devata, that is Lord Ganesha. So abhipsitartha siddhartha. Abhipsitartha means whatever is wished or whatever is desire. To get success in that things, pujitaha, saluted or worship, yaha, the one who, sura surehi, sura plus asura. Sura means god and asura means demon. The one who is saluted by the god and the demons, sarva vigna haraha, the one who removes all the obstacles, that Ganadipataye Namaha, I saluting to that Lord Ganesha. So see, salutations to that Lord Ganesha, the Lord of Ganas, Ganadipataye, Gana plus Adipati. Gana means the people who all are there on Kailasa with the Lord Shiva. We call them as a Gana. That same people are taking care of Ganapati. So we call him as a Ganadhipati. Adipati means the king or the one who is main among that Gana. So Ganadhipate, the lord of the Ganas, the destroyer of all obstacles, that is Sarva Vignahara, who is worshipped by God and demons, Pujito Yaha Surasurehi, for the fulfillment of the desire purpose. So this verse is clear, children. Once again, see, Abhipsitartha Siddhyartha. Pronunciation has to be very careful. Abhipsitartha Siddhyartha. Pujito yah surasurehi sarva vigna harastasme ganadhipataye namaha. Okay, second one. This verse we know because every morning we are listening this. Just read. Ya kundendu tusharahar dhavala ya shubhravastrambrita ya veena varadanda manditakara ya shweta padmasana या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिर्देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा. Now this verse is related with goddess Saraswati. First, second, third, all the three lines, there are the adjective form for goddess Saraswati. Okay. Yeah, the one who, that is feminine word. Kundendu tushara hara dhavala. Kunda, that is jasmine flower. Indu means moon. Tushara, that is snow. Hara, that is necklace or pearl garland. Dhavala means white. The one who is white like kunda flower, or white like moon, or white like snow, or the white like hara, that is necklace. Ya Shubhra Vastramvrita, the one yeah, again, the one who, Shubhra white, Vastra clothes, Vruta means drap, who is draped in white garments or white clothes. Ya Veenavara Danda Mandita Kara. Ya, the one who, Veena, that is lute, Danda Mandita Kara. Danda means on the shoulder, Mandita making beautiful, Kara means hand. So whose hand is adorned with the excellent staff of the Veena. Veena means lute, children. You can like lute or Veena is okay. Ya Brahma, sorry, Ya Shweta Padmasana. Ya means again the one who, Shweta Padmasana, seated on the white lotus. Shweta means white, Padma means lotus, Asana means seated. The one who is seated on the white lotus. Ya Brahma Chuta Shankara Prabhrutibhir Devaihi. Ya, the one, Brahma, Lord Brahma, Achyuta, Lord Vishnu, and Shankara, Lord Shiva. Prabhuti means etc. Devaihi, gods, by the gods, Sada Vandita, always worship. The one who is always worshipped by all gods, starting with Lord Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesha Jadyapaha. Sa means that goddess Saraswati. Mam Patu, protect me. Bhagavati Saraswati, that is goddess Saraswati. Nishesha Jadyapaha. Nishesha, whatever remaining. Jadya means ignorance. Apaha means remove. So who removes all my ignorance. Again, see the translation, children. May that goddess Saraswati protect me, who is fair or who is white like Kunda, that is jasmine flower, moon, snow, and pearl garland, who is draped in white garments, whose hand is adorned with the excellent staff of the Veena, who is seated on the white lotus, who is always worshipped by God, starting with Lord Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, and who removes all ignorance. Okay, children. Now, in after this lecture, just copy down this meaning is enough because verses are there with you. If possible, try to write down the verses also. Okay. Thank you, children. Have a good day.